Hello Year 10, so this is a run through of your coastal landscapes revision booklet, which should take you most of the next 3 weeks to complete. We are aiming to be back in the classroom to see you for at least an hour in 3 weeks time, but that should give you between sort of 5 and 8 hours to complete the booklet. You've already been sent an email. It is all on Show My Homework, both as a PDF and a Word document. It looks exactly the same as the one in front of me, but I thought I would go through how the booklet works and how you should complete it. On the inside cover, you do have an overview of how the booklet works. It is linked to a website called Internet Geography, which you can visit, and there are web links the whole way through. What I would strongly recommend is you download a QR scan code app if you don't already have one. Loads of you do. Therefore, when you scan the code, it will take you through to the website, which should have all the information for you to see. Loads of you will already know this. You've covered this prior to me starting at John Hanson at the end of Year 9 with your class teacher. This is purely a revision exercise. If you've got a textbook at home or a revision guide you'd wish to use, that is absolutely fine as well. Make sure you read this page. This page has been copied into the email as well as on Show My Homework. Now, as you work your way through the booklet, you will start by writing out your key terms, and you will notice at the bottom of certain pages there is a little symbol that looks like that. That is for you to check your learning. You will need to visit that website there. So once you've filled in the key terms, you will visit the website, you will answer the quiz, and at the back of the booklet you will notice that there is a quiz score. Now, you need to aim to get 100% in each one, but if you do not get 100% but you get over sort of 75, that is absolutely amazing as well. So you need to record your first attempts. If you have to take another attempt, etc., you fill them in here at the back of the booklet. You will notice that there are 9 quizzes as you work your way through. Now, once you've done the key terms, you will turn to the first page. Now, I've already completed this page as an example for you guys to have a look at, and I will upload these pictures as well to Instagram. Really simple question. So you scan the QR code, it will take you through to the website. If you need help, if you don't need help, that is absolutely fine. You can use revision guides, your own knowledge, or any other resources such as GCSE Pod that you have access to. Definition of waves is written in. What is the fetch? Definition written in. What factors affect the strength and size of waves? They are written in as well. And then it asks me to draw a diagram and label on the key terms. So again, I've highlighted the key terms, I've drawn a diagram and coloured it in. What you will notice as you work your way through is there is a range of activities, both really short answer questions, there is support, etc. to help you, and then there are also shorter answer questions, more online quizzes, and more drawing activities for you to complete. Now, the booklet varies with these activities as you go through. Lots of them will involve you drawing, writing bits in. There is a good mixture for you guys, and all of them linked to the websites. Again, there is a quiz that you need to make sure that you record at the back of the booklet. So when you start continuing going through your booklet, you'll notice there is a range of activities. These are not designed to stretch and challenge you. They are merely there as a revision activity to refresh your understanding, to revisit the knowledge, so that then we can work in the classroom on these exam questions and exam techniques. When you return to John Hanson, even for that hour a week, we will be going through the core content that you have learnt when you have been away, such as Bristol and Rio. We will be revisiting exam questions. We will be looking at how you answer the questions, answering any questions or bits you don't understand, quickly recapping and making sure that we get you to a reliable and sensible stage at the end of Year 10. Okay? All of this is on Show My Homework. All of this has been emailed out to you. Everything will be checked. Now, what you need to do to submit it is you either send a document completed on the PC. So should you wish to complete it on the PC, and that is the only way you can do it because you don't have a printer, then you send us the document, and we will need to see it every lesson you do. So we just need to see an updated version every time you do it. If you are completing it by hand, so for instance, if I had a geography lesson and I completed this page and I completed this and a quiz, then what me and Mr. Taylor would request is that you send us pictures of those pages and a picture of the actual quiz you do with your quiz score. We will be contacting home, and we will be speaking to Mrs. Jones with anybody that doesn't regularly email us the work that you need to complete. It is a fairly hefty booklet. It is 29 pages. We are not expecting you to get it all done in one lesson or even in a week. This is a 5 to 7 hour booklet which should take you through the first 2 weeks into the third week when we are due to see you back at John Hanson. So to quickly refresh, read the first page. When you first get it, download the QR reader. Make sure if you've got access to the internet, either on a mobile phone, etc., you can answer the quizzes. You need to answer ideally in pen or in pencils and send pictures. If you can't do that because you can't print it, that is absolutely fine. Then what you need to do is you need to type in the answers, and that's the reason I've sent a Word document out, copy and paste in images, okay, for you to complete, and you still need to email it over to myself and Mr. Taylor after every lesson to show us what you have completed. If you need any structure, any support, you simply have to email myself or Mr. Taylor. You can write to us as well on Instagram, and I will be gradually uploading pictures of the work that I've completed or the model examples, etc., that I'd expect to see of the type of work that you need to do onto Instagram to support you. And I'm going to do that just now for the first few pages to help you. So for instance, a diagram of Longshore Drift that you guys have all seen plenty of times. Remember, you've got the websites, you've got the QR codes, you've got GCSE Pod, you've got BBC Bite Size to help you, you've got revision guides to support you, alongside many other resources that are available online, such as YouTube and other bits and pieces. Again, if you have any issues at all, you need to contact myself or Mr. Taylor, and we will be there to support you. It needs to be emailed to us at the end of every single lesson to show us what you have completed. Okay? We really look forward to seeing you in around 2.5 weeks now, when you guys get the nod. I hope you are all safe and well, and you've had a relaxing half term. Okay, well done for your continued effort, and I will speak to you guys soon.